Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So I'm currently here at my coworker's place, and as you can see, they have this massive balcony area and talagang nakakainggit kasi look at this, 'di ba? Parang if I will be staying or if I have this kind of balcony, talagang pupunuin ko ito ng mga halaman, specifically syempre mga succulents, but kung gaano kalaki yung kanyang balcony area, yung mga inaalagaan niyang mga succulents ay sobrang liliit. Like for example, itong mga conophytums, ayan, so they are just in tray. So mahilig siyang mag-alaga ng mga succulents, and I'm actually surprised kasi pagpunta ko dito sa kanilang balcony area, may mga succulents siya. Although, yung mga succulents na nandito are mostly like lithops, conophytums, yung talagang maliliit na mga succulents. Ayan, so yung mga succulents na nandito are literally exposed to the extreme weather conditions. So pag winter talagang sobrang lamig, and pag summer sobrang init rin naman dito sa China. Kaya itong mga outdoor succulents niya talagang exposed or sanay na sila sa ganong klaseng weather. Ayan, so we cannot see parang mga echeveria, sedums dito sa kanyang collection kasi I think wala na siyang time these days to grow mga succulents. Yung mga batang nakita ninyo kanina ay mga anak nila, and yun nga, kinukulit nila ako dito sa mga succulents. Succulents.
Succulent.
对，你知道吗？
小兔兔，妈妈说
Tank， 你知道吗？这是什么？坦克，这是什么？啊
succulent.
？Succulents，
Succulent.
succulents。
Succulent.
Ayan, moving on. Tingnan natin yung mga, or the other side ng kanilang balcony. Sobrang luwang talaga niya, hindi lang talaga siya na-maintain. Ayan o, so if I were them, talagang pupunuan ko to ng mga succulents and ornamental plants. Ayan, they also have this variegated bear paw. So it's a combination, yung ordinary at saka yung variegated, and as you can see talagang kitang-kita natin yung parang claw, yung reddish claw nung kanilang bear paws kasi nga talagang exposed sila sa winter temperature. Sobrang lamig, kaya ayan, na-stress yung mga succulents and they turn into this beautiful color, especially yung kanyang pinaka-tips. Ayan oh. So, it really, kumbaga, na-miss ko bigla yung mga succulents ko kasi if only I have this kind of massive na rooftop, ay talagang ita-transform ko siya into a rooftop succulent garden. Ayan. So, last night, since nalaman nga nila na mahilig ako sa mga succulents, they gave me this pot of conophytum. Talagang kung makikita ninyo, kumpulan na siya, and the size of this plant is actually big. Kumbaga, these are just propagations na talagang napadami niya, and nakakahiya if hindi natin siya maalaga ang mabuti dito nga sa ating balcony area. So yes, we are already here sa ating apartment, and I really hope na mabuhay siya kasi yung conophytum natin na binili before is, I don't know if it's dying or I don't know if we can still save it. Ayan, ipakita ko siya sa inyo, yung pot of conophytum na meron ako dito sa aking collection, and it's actually here. Ayan siya oh. So makikita niyo talagang very dry na siya. Hindi ko pa siya nadiligan for a long period of time. Parang 3 months ago pa since last ko siyang nadiligan, and because of that one, talagang dehydrated na siya. Not only this one, but most of my succulents dito sa aking balcony area, hindi ko sila nadiligan for the past 3 to 4 months na. Kaya kung makikita ninyo, talagang nag-close na yung kanilang mga rosettes, but still, I'm actually surprised na hindi sila totally na namatay. They still keep on producing new leaves. Pero yun nga, medyo maliliit na nga yung mga new leaves niya. So I think it's really because they are already underwatered, and since pa-spring naman na, patapos na yung winter season, I think I would start collecting succulents again. Pero I'm not gonna be buying small succulents. I will just be buying yung mga malalaki na, yung mga stable for a better chance of survival dito nga sa aking balcony area, since limited na yung kanilang sunlight and they cannot even have the rain as their water. 'Di ba? Parang plain tap water lang talaga yung pinangdidilig ko sa kanila. Lastly of all of my succulents, itong Greenovia talaga ang hindi ko in-expect na mabubuhay kasi I remember before sa Pilipinas lahat ng Greenovia ko namatay, pero this time around na nagkaroon ako ng Greenovia, even if I didn't water them for a long period of time, they are still surviving. Even yung ating mga other Sidiveria, I think that's a Sidiveria, a crested one. So, I think I will be watering them. Tingnan natin kung sino yung mga mabubuhay and abangan ninyo yung ating mga next vlogs about our spring collection. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.